I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine, and I am yours. Stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. When you baby, I couldn't dominant will be. Love me because I love you. I will never let you go. So never let me go. That's how true love is. I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone.
Madam, when you be my friend, is it? And when you proof you. When you how? Because my friend in Akasa, I know what's a member. So what is going on? Oh, Henry, the soon you do fee. Then I'm waha when you have to wait to me a call by no wabba. Yamin count. Are you sure of what you're saying? Because I just called her. Oh, Henry, the Casadent is winning a man. Actually, you're in the kitchen. Wait to me a call.
I think how's that going? Is everything okay? Hey, Marcus. Ade.
Yeah. Kina how can? Kinta Mariano. You are Yarum family side, what you make a sure. Ah, what I was chef within a hand.
Ade.
No, my bell no son me by the time he says, oh, wait, also knew what I'm saying. Ah, my fro, also will feel him. Onya kukudoka yese uni wonti menko.
Marcus, I don't know the be how you say. Only is black. Only is my boyfriend. It say or background na me. Mini ha me kwan.
Can't see me.
Mini was say na mini wo cry this man baby tina na on chain me. Ah? Intina time bi ase mu mi no mo pese mo.
Be very careful.
Babe, it's okay.
Be very careful. Because when I'm pissed, I can't do anything.
Honey.
I mean anything.
Babe.
Never try my temper.
It's okay. Let's go.
I'm very terrible.
Let's go.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. Truth is you are mine.
Babe.
I'm yours. Stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, why I won't cry.
I'm sorry. Me need dear Marcus. Hey, I'm talking to you. Me are very sorry. Honestly, me need dear Vanessa. I think I would have to talk to my dad now. I don't know, so best sacking and so we could be for because this is getting out of hand. But all the same, I'm really sorry.
Better advice. Please. You better advise him.
I'll do it.
I didn't know what the meaning for.
Meaning the Indian because he's not like that to other people. My friends come here and all that. On Tissa, me crown on family, but
and in front of me and him, no, you can't discipline him. Why?
Baby, you know, say he's old enough. Mean to me, big enough, Papa Penny, and him, I mean, Cotiatian and I say me. And aside that, no meaning me, no one will fear, say it. Should I?
So, old enough, no, with me, and once of you know with me, right?
It's not my kind.
Old enough, not the boyfriend anymore, for man. Now, I'm not in any for right.
I said, I'm sorry. My name is Father Becky.
Well, you're old enough. I'll go to knock upon a bride. Huh? So far as Ophiana here, you can discipline him. Of course, you're old enough, and so what?
See, Asembana me no kasa. I am no mune kasa. You don't have to be shouting and all that. Me no mune let's say I kasa. Anna.
Maddie, I think it's about time I put a stop to my coming here.
Come on, it hasn't got into that. Me say me nene be kasa. Me ne me father be kasa. Me mama be say beti me asasa na. Don't worry. Huh? Pipi na one ma okuku to so sa. It's not nice.
No, Maddie, I love you. I love you. And so far as I love you, it doesn't give him opportunities I'm from any for.
I'm fine.
And I will never allow that.
Don't worry. I'll just put a stop to it. Don't worry. Please. Come on.
Warn him. Please, with all due respect. Sometimes I'm calm because of you. Maddie. So when you know Uncle Bonabra.
Black. Where you been? Oh, Bibi any hour come is smart. Cut it short, okay? Why? Hey. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Yeah, sure. Give me a smile. I was thinking that maybe you would want to spend the night here with me. And I miss you.
No.
Please.
Maddie.
Please.
10 years.
Please.
Or the all kind of materials, but no me carry this and think I will need to count the boom.
Black. It's like relationship now and no one. I call you give and take. Older or girlfriend change. I should give you money.
I said you promised me to be Bible, Mamiska.
I know, but then again.
I send the hand on to Alice. Baby can cry the can Alice. Times two crying bad.
Intimate this kind of more better.
I know there, say I will sleep here.
But my main country, Marcus, and no one can leave him on.
Why?
Marcus.
No.
What did they?
No, I'm sorry, you're dead, man.
Come on. I don't know why.
Miss Shaw, me your no down so. Why? Who say Kubum this or yet you are mammy?
Only that bad to that extent, say, only. I'll eat some. Into wait me, I will bonny and I'll wait me.
It's a chance all normal about a man and also simple.
Into wait.
Something like jollof rice.
Okay.
And
only take it.
For God, I think I will a long process.
It's 4 p.m. Where do you wait for 4? The jollof rice we taking on your salad with pepper sauce. Alright, yeah. Sure. Alright, never.
Okay. Hello? Becky, Miss me buy more similar in chain. I miss up. Julia, we are doing your own commodity. Why? So, oh, both for the cartoon. You want to see me piece camera? I'm a piece camera, what's not one of ye. David, Miss up. You, what you and upon a metro. Why? And from me being son upon. Why? Okay, bye.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine and I am yours. Stolen chef. Hey, why I won't cry.
Morning, Madam Tutwa.
What's wrong here? Me cook, Mama.
Oh, okay.
Bring change and Miss Rihanna addressing my bedroom.
Maddie. Yo.
My new come cafe, Miss Rihanna.
Okay.
It's about my boyfriend, Marcus. Honestly speaking, many in Jehawa only kasa ufia si obefia ha ne de kosunina. I really don't like it at all. Many in Jehu. Me pawase. And you are really respectful. I need to plan on me pawase and me know me in the ufia saying Bibia we biano. I really appreciate it. Oh, mama, me, yemi, bia. But then again, that is my boyfriend. Indeed, who disrespecting her? Indirectly, not saying I person won't disrespect me, but won't minka. Timistro, say, me for which na me name me father Casana Chinebino. Would you ma barber her? Mistro. Oba how would do obey you be for we need to me now, dear, and mammy. But say be our name day, or I don't like it.
Madam Ketua Mate.
Yes.
Mimi huni say Pano on Pemasem. Isan say, Madam, kwaya wone mimi yenu namso no. Fiti danwa, uni ni mimi nya kasa wa ha. Hwew, me be catch you so breakfast are ready. Madam, dear bonne, asembone be na me kan. Asembone be na me kan.
Enye minti a we nyina amba. Ena minim say ye minti na wo ha. Nti misre wo de odo ni bu a ode mame. Minim say ye den a me no wo ha say to da me fom. But wo pema asem nti no wo bu wani guso. Saa na me pese wo ye ma wo no nso. Odo a wo de mame no. Wo de oye obi bi kra na minti. Misre. Why? Because me pese wo djuma we be hwero ana say me pese wo nti na I don't like what is going on at all.
Madam Ketua.
Sure, why? Marcus.
Oh, Mate. Enye hwe. Enye big deal we have, Mate.
Miss Metra say me no so better na mo be okay.
Mate.
Yes.
Pacho waja ofu.
Sorry. Thank you.
And we did it.
Baby, I'll go.
Mate.
Yes.
Kwadana ode na hu koto ani a osi aba. Ono abranche no oba afiade pa na meme ye no a enu nti wodi nani ayede asi me so saa. Obra na ne boye bona o. Onimu a onko mankasim. Cape Coast abura market no onko busa mase. Okwa onka so we ko fanti. Life o. Ene de mababe wi sei. Ase waba no me wabe hu se me ye chef e wo fia ha na wo de wo wani abo ho asafo hene wati mama me papa panimu ati se me ebu nkotobe wo wani abraman kan semboni ankyere wo nipa na wo ne nete no na me kyerɛ wo se da bi hunu kwan a wo befa so a wo ne ye dai ebe kasa e ma ya abodi mu nyina ka ekyiri kura ne ti se kusua enye sa se firi wo nsembo a untimi sisa bi me boni amaye ni Mate
We have something in common. The way you talk, the way you walk, gosh, making me fall for you. I think I'm in love with you. Is that same way you feel? I'm asking if you do. Come closer, come and hold me tight.
No compassion with that.
What is wrong? This is Oh, turn around. Hey, you don't even know that what you're watching now.
Maddie, I'm tired.
No time, sister. Let's do one more.
One what? Maddie.
Come on.
We are already done with one, so which one are you talking about?
You're okay.
No, Maddie, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Please.
I'm tired.
Come.
Maddie.
Just one more.
Me nipa.
Yeah.
Me nipa. Huh? And do you know how much I spend on my body? No. Maybe
I just want to spend time with you.
No, Maddie, Mr. One, why? Yes, I'm lose you.
Okay, won't lose it then.
I'm lose it.
Come on, don't do that, please.
Maddie, oh come on. Oh, man, yes, sir. Oh, Maddie, you wouldn't put you on one call. I always say you can't be one.
And I'm not okay.
Chi, my cousin Mitchell. I'm a cousin Mitchell. Nowadays, you're an enemy dinner, mammy, you and your friend, and never I do. What is it? And I'm a doctor cry. I instructed me say nowadays no baby have sex 2 times grana. I did change some hospital. Now and no mamma more come. See any boy there. So see maybe you can't keep you out there black. But I did change Jewy for cotton and no now fine.
Oh, alright, I'll do it.
Why?
Nothing miss me most. I told you I'll give you something.
No, say another my first one and you. But the second one I may be my lose weight now. I say many pebiano met it and I say meaning as you said them phenomena maker. So
Only me be our better.
there also may be back. Doctors may have a sex once a day. Why? So there's hope you be when they are. I did share no now come back to hospital now. I'm going to we need to be full steps in there.
I told you I'll give you money. Mankind.
But second one, no second sex now, she shall not make.
Don't worry, I'll give it to you.
There's 7,000.
Okoto vitamins are 7,000.
7,000.
Black.
7,000.
It's like.
And then me tea.
I understand. Okay, let's not do this. A bit 10 minutes. Don't worry. I get this. Don't worry.
What? Tea.
Don't worry.
Oh, no. Tea. What you say? Maddie.
I'm not Maddie.
Maddie.
I said I'm not Don't worry. Raise your hand. Come on.
You're not in high, so. Oh. I will hang out with Mama. What the Mama as a. And the family as I am. So, the Mammy, I'm going to boost me energy. Never to me.
Don't worry, I'll do everything. Right.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone.
I did watching up with you.
The truth is, you are mine.
I didn't see a cover what she will eat your mouth. Debbie.
Now we are sharing.
Such a true.
And I assure now.
I say I'm a man for sure.
Every meal will be like a sugar one. The corner say, no one will be.
And why me uncle saw them, honey?
And she said, baby, any baby. My lot to see a baby and black. Baby. I hear you, Miss Classic, baby, can be an order, mine. Ye dear, no, young fine out the papa be. Maybe my dad will say. I didn't know, say. One a man cassa. Now, one piece can be moved. Or body, what they were not fun him. Maybe our cousin piece between our dream. A beman either at us. Ne piece can be either say bits media taught land be. Oh, now you start say, see them be idea. Yes, so because he called the Bema and I did ye say, you only say, there be a walk on our cassie cow, the Bema. Ya joining a horsey baby. Yent me so hard, I say, ya, where be you? In Tinkaja, what pissy cacassy be say, beer, may person me business, a beer may person me starting good. Aha, into can be beside.
Who did you see you? Good issue never 10 billion.
And I saw the man again, you or papa, a japado, dear man, and I say, Sika, what they had.
You can say, he said, over 10 billion, over 10 billion.
They were again, or dog. Am I a dog, your dog boom? And yet, bear more to make us a major macum, you're near the accommoding in Ama Bema. Until a bussy and a down, and the diabetes, no pressure, nearby your soul. She is wrong. You never catch a second moment, you can come and find it.
Devin, Mamma can't take him Pisca to us.
Cassa, one farmer. Or because what was some papa wage up at the so what is for money they see how long Becca. Or because no, we don't need to be start for property. But what can you say, Juma, when you say, bear man cry, and now, yes, I said, when you
boom,
into radio. So what land now? A mid-retty honor, Nanka would be meeting. Aye. Because our body so one and it's it. Now could you be a chinny? Would again it didn't quite yam? A sicafo, a chinama of follow you also to lawyers. Hands with him, dear yam. BBM for me, dear. A bear made them some drop for none a matter was a say, yes, Juman. So what you see? So the may
one to the mammy. So I found him coming in bed. The mammy.
For a bear,
who's that?
The way you talk, the
way you walk, gosh, making me fall for you. I think I'm in love with you. Is that same way you feel? I'm asking if you do come closure. Come and hold me tight. Me and you tonight will not be small fight, I swear. We have something in common. The way you talk, the way you walk, gosh, making me fall for you.
Good afternoon. No, for sure, madam, wait my friend on me.
What do you? One the guy in the P.
Fair time, baby.
Oh, bear and panel.
My friend is Anna and Quant me free so fear and mamma to have at this time.
I knew when you fee.
Send me in soon, I cried and command.
Oh, and your kafra.
What's matters?
I hope so. Be Bonnie BNC.
Me won't be so much matters. Me and I'm setting us. Say, Jambabe, home, Madame Nasse, man, son of my toy, idea of our corner. Say, you won't book.
Oh, send your Baba to me. You may also.
Say, when you check, has it and when you jump home.
Because the manager home, it sounds like your baby born in the baby.
Nah, I do know we are and we decide to sell Pesa the rest of your life and one of Pesa.
Minyabi. And a Juma me. Papa no hodo, into na mamma ye day. Yes, a Juma. Ye Juma be. I say, Obrana and Cassana ne boy day, a yabona. Na me a taxi driver, he will keep course a bra market. Nana taxi na bitchino, they a chanchama. Tea, and one dream mammy from ya, and my so cra. Obi am tisti anim no obeba na sti anim na etwan me e wo kare hwe sister mabre okoke kuso akobisa mase wa bra market okase ku fanti a ombekasa wan no na sti ane timi wan me am obi ehu sampa betika mu nso na sti ane mum na wan me nya mimi mum na me wan sti ane
I'm so a very nice man.
Ye.
You're very nice. Obin can't share that.
Quite very so.
Oh, your body is so no what boy can do will say you. We are very nice, man. Now are you?
Me. Hey. We are maybe damn to say day.
I'm in love with you. You are in love with someone. The truth is you are mine. And I am yours, stolen chef, stolen chef, stolen chef. Hey, I won't cry. Wouldn't you